Yeah.
I'm going to try growing onions from seed this year versus sets. I want large and some sweet. Looking for advice on types of onions seeds to try. So one thing
you need to know your geographical area.
You need to know your geographical area because you want to grow the correct onion type for where you are. So if you live in the northern part of the United States, you want long day onions. If you live in the mid part of the United States, you want midday. And if you live in the southern parts of the United States, you want short day. So once you figure that out, then there are a few different varieties. So there's like a Vidalia.
Walla Walla is another one.
Walla Walla, Maui. And then there's also varieties like Sweet Harvest, DP Sweet, and Timon.
Again, these are not necessarily precise varieties for long day, short day. These are just large variety onions. We have not been identified of where this listener is located. So
right. So that's what we don't know where this person is located, but it's something that you want to keep in mind is figuring out if you're long, midday, or short.